Hello everyone, this is a coffee machine from Unnati Books and Toy Library, Matunga. So Rian, start.
What do you want?
I want one hot chocolate and also one donut. Okay.
I'll do on.
On.
Open for business. One minute.
Okay.
You want?
Hot chocolate.
Espresso. Hot chocolate.
Okay. Very hot, Riansh. Very hot I want.
Put a cup in the machine and press the button with a star. Stop. 5.
Mm.
1. Nice and warm. 5. Super hot.
Okay.
I picked it.
Okay.
Then it will come up.
Yes.
Uh-oh! Push down on the cup until the light.
Very nice.
Wait.
Add a little sugar and milk also. And one donut, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, wait.
Donut.
Okay.
Thank you, Riansh. Thank you for the for the hot chocolate and donut. It's really nice. Thank you.